Hello, third graders. Welcome to our math lesson for today. It's Miss LaRusso, and I just wanted to go over our learning intention and our success criteria. For our learning intention, we are still working to solve word problems involving time, and your success criteria is that you can use addition and subtraction strategies to find elapsed time. Anytime you solve an elapsed time word problem, write the following: start time, end time, elapsed time. This will help you figure out what you're looking for. What strategy should I use? Well, when you're trying to find the end time, you want to use addition strategies. When you're trying to find the start time, you're going to use subtraction strategies. And when you're trying to find elapsed time, use number line strategy. Let's take a look at our first problem. Our first problem says, Brielle and Davy went to cheerleading practice at 10:15 a.m. They finished up at 10:48. How long did they practice? We already have written down start time, end time, elapsed time. Let's reread the problem. Brielle and Davy went to cheerleading practice at 10:15 a.m. That is our start time. So I'm going to write 10:15. And that's taken care of. They finished at 10:48. That's our end time. So I'm going to go ahead and write down 10:48. And that's taken care of. How long did they practice? Well, if we're looking for elapsed time, we're going to go ahead and use our number line strategy. So I'm going to go ahead and make my number line. And there's the baby saying hello. And our start time is 10:15. Our end time is 10:48. To get from 10:15 to 10:48, I'm going to start by jumping in 10-minute increments. If I jump 10 minutes from 10:15, it will be 10:25. If I jump 10 more minutes, it'll be 10:35. And if I jump 10 more minutes, it will be 10:45. Now I can count by ones to get from 10:45 to 10:48. Let's do that together. 10:45, 10:46, 10:47, 10:48. Now we count our jumps. 10 here, 10 here, 10 here, and then each of these were 1. 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33 minutes. Let's take a look at another problem. Melinda leaves school at 3:15 p.m. It takes her 5 minutes to get home, 5 minutes to eat a snack, 10 minutes to do her homework, 10 minutes to get dressed for softball practice. What time will Melinda be ready for softball practice? Let's start out with writing it down. Our start time, end time, elapsed time. Well, the start time is 3:15. The end time, we need to figure out what time will Melinda be ready for softball practice. And the elapsed time is going to be a total of these 4 numbers. So 5 minutes plus 5 minutes is 10 minutes, plus 10 more minutes to do her homework is 20 minutes, plus 10 more minutes to get dressed. It's a total of 30 minutes for our elapsed time. So now, if I'm looking for end time, I'm going to go ahead and add these up. All right, 3:15 here. And I'll add 30 minutes. And let's go ahead. 5 plus 0 is 5. 1 plus 3 is 4. And we'll bring down our hour. Melinda was ready for softball practice at 3:45. Here's another. Aaliyah started writing thank you notes at 5:25. She finished at 6 o'clock. How long did it take Aaliyah to write her thank you notes? Well, start time, end time, elapsed time. Let's reread the problem. Aaliyah started to write thank you notes at 5:25. That's our start time. She finished at 6 o'clock. That's our end time. we need to solve for elapsed time. I'm going to use a number line to solve for elapsed time. So I'll go ahead and make my number line and write down my start time of 5:25 and my end time of 6 o'clock. I'm going to jump in 10-minute increments. 5:25 plus 10 more minutes will put me at 5:35, plus 10 more minutes, 5:45, 10 more minutes, 5:55, and I'm pretty close to 6 o'clock. Let's count by ones. 5:55, 5:56, 5:57, 5:58, 5:59, 6 o'clock. Let's count our jumps to find out the elapsed time. 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. Altogether, 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. 35 minutes is our elapsed time. Today you saw different problems that allow you to use addition and subtraction strategies to find the elapsed time. You guys are doing a wonderful job. Keep up the hard work. We miss you and love you so much.